Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to apply your affiliate's store configuration and coverage, all directly from the app. This means your store will match the look and service areas of your community leader's store instantly. What is the store configuration? The affiliate store configuration lets you automatically copy your leader's store design, including layout, style, and visual elements, with just a few taps. What is store coverage? Store coverage defines the regions where your store delivers. By using your affiliate's coverage, your store reaches the same areas, saving you setup time and effort. To get started, open the app. Scroll down on the main dashboard until you find the section to select your configuration and coverage. Tap to apply the configuration and coverage from your affiliate. Your store will instantly match their design, delivery zones, and layout, giving your customers a consistent and professional experience. That's it. You're now ready to align your store with your affiliate's setup and start selling faster. If you need additional help or have questions about your membership, please don't hesitate to contact support. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.